4 things to keep in mind during the kitchen renovation. Number 1. Don't limit yourself to outdated design like a kitchen work triangle, sink, fridge, stove. The real kitchen triangle we need to worry about is bins, sink, dishwasher. Number 2. Never put the pendant lights over your kitchen island. It looks like the warming station. Number 3. Never prioritize cupboards over drawers. Drawers provide much better capacity and access, and if you optimize these properly, you can eliminate your upper cupboards. Number 4. Don't put your sink or cooktop on your kitchen island. It limits the functionality. Your kitchen island is many things. It's your buffet at the Christmas, it's an extra dining table when the entire family comes over, and it's an uninterrupted fantastic prep bench. Put your sink or your cooktop in it, you seriously compromise these functions. I know that there are those of you who insisted on having your sink or your cooktop in your island to socialize with the guests. My question to you is, how much time do you actually spend at your stove versus preparing on your kitchen island? And likewise, how much time do you actually spend at your sink versus loading your dishwasher?